Welcome back to SISY BYTES, another episode of Travel Hub, episode 7, part 2. So today we are going to visit Hatta Heritage Village. It is one of the most visited places in Hatta. Hatta Heritage Village is just near Al Sharia rest area. Journey decade back to an era of forts and towers in Dubai's mountain town. So now we are going inside the Heritage Village. In heart of the town is Hatta Heritage Village, which has been preserved and reconstructed by the government to showcase the heritage. The first is the Hatta Heritage Festival area. In this area there are many festival happening, like there are dance and there are many kind of festival will happen in this place, and there is many stalls too, but because of the pandemic everything is closed. This is the place where they will dance and do many festival things, and they will just sit and watch. Because of the COVID everything is closed. This is the entrance, and here there are many chairs and stool where you can sit and watch the show. There is a stage here. There they do skits, they do singing, they sing, they dance, they do every kind of things. This place was opened by Sheikh Hamdan bin Rashid Al Maktoum in 2001. First we are going inside Al Hussein. Inside this place there are many houses which shows the tradition of UAE. So we are going inside Hatta Majlis. It is the place where many people gather and talk. So this place is called Shibla. Next we are going to forts and citadel. This is the full view of the house. In this place we can see weapons that were used in the past. Here we can see many kind of knives which were used in the past, and we can see the war dress which were used in the past. This is one part of the area. This one part itself is very beautiful, and we learn many things from this small area. Hatta Heritage Village opened in 2001. The village brings to life Dubai's heritage with reconstructing huts and buildings selling traditional wares. We are entering traditional house. We are entering traditional majlis. Majlis is there in every place. So this is the kitchen, and these are the vessels which were used in the olden time. Now let's go inside the bedroom and look how it was in the olden time. In every house you can see pots all over the place. It was used in the olden time. This is another room. There is a swing for babies and there is big keys. So now we are going to look at the traditional instrument they used and the way they danced. These are some instruments they used to play. These both are the traditional dance which was danced by the Arabs. After coming out of this area, we can see a big well middle of the houses. Now we are going inside a place which is called social life. After entering this place, our first stop will be Al Majlis. Majlis is there in every house. Majlis is something that women or men gathering up in groups. Next area is sense of the social life. In this place they gather up social life of the Arabs. In this place they gave us information of marriage, how the marriage happened, birth, popular games, popular dishes. Like that they gave us information of all the things very clearly. This place we can understand how they take dates from the palm tree, how they take water, how they make food, everything. Now we're heading towards the palm tree products. First stop will be date honey making. Here they show how date honey is made and they show how they climb the tree. There are some places up too, so let's climb and check out. Now we are entering village restoration. Here they mention many mosques and many forts around this place. Now we are climbing more up. It's already night now, so the moon and the weather makes us feel so good. So now we are climbing till there. You can go inside the fort and look how it is inside. We can climb up and look how it looks. It is a small step, so watch your step and head. Here it's so dark. But you can see the full view of the Hatta. Hope you all enjoyed Hatta Heritage Village tour, and I hope you all come and visit the place. Thanks for watching.
Please ensure to leave a big fat thumbs up.
Comment your thoughts below.
Subscribe to explore and discover more.
Hit the bell icon
To get notified whenever we post a new video. And
Stay tuned to SISY BYTES. SISY BYTES, creating memories. Join our journey. Bye bye.